Hospices throughout the country use my booklet, Gone From My Sight, the little blue book, with their families. What they generally do is put this in their initial family packet, and when the family comes on service, this booklet is with all of their other materials. I want to give you something to think about. How about not just putting it in a packet filled with other materials and hoping, underline, hoping that the family will pull it out and read it? How about on the second visit, the nurse or the social worker sits down with the primary care person and you read it together? So you can talk about it, so you can say, oh, do you see where right here on page 8, do you think maybe that's where John is right now? To help the family understand that their loved one is doing what he's supposed to be doing. This is how a person dies. Now, the thing is, we in hospice are dealing with a lot of regulations, a lot of overseeing on our family and patient teaching. So, how about this? You write in your care plan that you're going to sit down with the family member and read together and discuss the booklet. And then when you've done that, you chart that you have sat with the family and what their response was and what their questions were. Not only have you completed and fulfilled the teaching aspect of our work, but you've documented it. You've said, this is what we plan on doing, and this is what we did. Something to think about. Gone From My Sight.